You guys didn't die, but my roof is leaking, and also spend the night with me. Ah, girl, yes, girl. Just ignore me. My roof is freaking leaking. No, I need to fix that. First, I get out and grab my keys. Just ignore it again, just in case. Just in case. That's just in case. Just in case. Just in case.
Dito ka. Huli-iwi naman yung cellphone. Huli-iwi.
Ah.
Yeah, dito ka.
Oh.
Dito.
So, anyways, I'm back. Also, I didn't die from staplers. So, it's the night. And I better close the window so I don't want any creeps looking at me. Wait, even though I'm a man, I don't want creeps looking at me. Wait, what? Okay, I don't know what happened. I don't know. You just... How dare you spray your own daughter? How dare you? Oh my goodness. She sprayed her own daughter. She sprayed her own daughter. I can't believe that. She actually sprayed her own daughter. Oh my god. My mom accidentally sprayed me. Anyways. No. And wash my hands too. Because all the things now, I better go to the sauna because I don't want to take a bath in my own room. Let's go to this store over here. I think everything's free. I don't know why. What? I'm just gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat this. I don't know. I like food. Anyways. Oh wait, I broke my key for no reason. Let's ignore that and get in my car. Oh, I almost. Oh god. I don't like it. I don't like it how it's lopsided. I don't like it when it's lopsided. I don't like it. I don't like it when it's lopsided. Okay, I'm out of the car. Get to the sauna. It's morning now, so I better eat my breakfast. I already ate my dinner. Anyways, I have to sleep for a while. Can I have a soap? I need soap. Okay. I don't think this vending machine is freaking open, so I don't need to change my clothes. I need to change my clothes. Okay, let's grab a clothes here. From here. I guess I'll be back. I'm all changed now, and I have been holding the soap bar for a while. So let's go and take a shower right here. Yeah. Oh, so I don't know why they have no arms. They freaking have no limbs. Okay, guys, just ignore that. Just doing my day with an iron ingot, definitely soap. Okay, I think I'm done. Now let's just look at me at the window. I'm so beautiful, so beautiful. Now I wash my hands and toothbrush. Okay. Also, I'm building a store. Okay, I'm done. Time to go. Also, it's very weird that I didn't even die from eating staplers. I guess I'm immune to staplers. So, let's go back to that shop with that creepy old man he was so I don't know. I broke my dad. I also broke my dad's car. You haven't seen that because I broke my dad's car. Oh, what the freak? What the freak? What the freak happened? What the freak happened? What the freak happened? What the freak? I accidentally lopsided my car. That's okay. That's it. That's okay. I turned on the lights. Oopsies. Hey. Can the light stop? Okay, can the lights? It doesn't stop. Help! I don't know. I accidentally lopsided my car. Okay, you guys just ignore that I lopsided my car. Also, this is just a Pinterest reference. I'll just go eat alone. Alone. With my lopsided car right there. Hello, cute lady. What do you want? I want to be. Give me more. It's also weird that I haven't returned the soap back to the lady, so yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. And also, I'm just gonna park my car again because I don't want it to be lopsided again. Because I hate lopsided things. I don't care if it's like that. I don't think it's glitching out the stairs. Okay, guys. So that's my night. Now it's my morning. So I don't think I have anything in my cabinet anyways. Oh. Anyways, guys. I'm just gonna keep this soap. And what did I take? Oh, yeah. Guys, we're gonna kill something. We're just gonna do that. No. We're gonna do that later. Very later, lady. Later. Maybe later. Yeah. Just watch TV and eat alone. Dun. I want this one because Oh, oopsie daisy. Let's choose chicken this time. Now let's side my yeah. Wait, cooked rabbit. Wait, I thought this was chicken, but this is cooked rabbit. What? I didn't choose chicken. I'm so I can't tell if I can't tell. Oh no. I'm sorry, rabbit, but that's not your mother. It's not her. I can't believe this is the rabbit's mother. What? Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is I can't believe it's the rabbit's mother. What? I'm so terrified right now. I'm just gonna sit back and relax and just ignore cook the rabbit. Oh, I don't know what happened to that egg, but I'm just gonna eat my cooked rabbit right now. Now my chicken. By the way, the store is gonna come. Yes, let's turn off the light. It's morning. Hello? Okay, let's try. Now let's go jogging back and forth. You guys, you maybe just see this. I'm trying to work on an alleyway where kids can get kidnapped, and also I get kidnapped too. Okay. So this is where it's like passing by. And this is the other store, yeah. The other road, yeah. It's for we're gonna make a store here. Yeah. And also I'm not gonna show you how to make that sauna because I'm lazy. Bye.